Innova has done my cabling, phone, and network installation for many years. They're the only one we rely on in Orange County. They are a single source provider for all our voice, data, video, audio, and cabling system installation. I ask and they say done, saving us time, and we don't need to micromanage. Our company went through several cabling companies looking for low cost and best quality, and the best we found is Innova. Now we can finally stop looking for a company that always responds quickly, sends experienced professionals, and can handle any problem, including replacing worn-out cables, installing PCs, phones, large screen TVs, PA systems. They do it all for us. We are delighted to have worked with Innova. They completed all of the installations in our new office on time, on budget, and with little disruption. Give them a call and you'll be glad you did.